Salam Amharic students, welcome back to your Amharic journey. In today's journey, we're going to look at the next Amharic alphabet, and the alphabet we are going to look at is this one. We will start by learning how to pronounce it, and then we will look at how to write it, and we will give examples. So we will start with the pronunciation. Ma, mu, mi, ma, me, mo. We have looked at how to pronounce each alphabet. We will move on to see how to write them, and we will give examples. The way we write the first one is it looks like a pair of sunglasses. The example we will look at here is mazmur. And it means a song. The next one is pronounced like mu. And you see it here in mazmur. The example here is muz, and even this one you see it here in mazmur. And it means a banana. The next alphabet is pronounced like mi. And the example here is mizan. And it means a scale. A weighing scale. The next alphabet is ma. The example here is ma'abal. And it means tide. Ocean tide, or the wave in the ocean. We write the next alphabet like this. Here I gave a female name as an example. Melat. We move on to the next alphabet. The example we look here is مركوز. مركوز. It means a walking cane. The last one, mo. The example we look here is kind of a funny word. Molala. Molala. It means oval. An oval shape is molala in Amharic. So Amharic students, we have finished looking at the alphabets. We have also looked at how to write them, and we have given some vocabularies. The job is now for you to practice writing and even learning the vocabularies. As always, there will be exercises provided, and we have until now many exercises that you can do. So check in the comment section or in the description to find the links. Until next time, keep on practicing and doing the exercises, and I will see you very soon.